These are the A puppies. They come from Honey, who is a Cavapoo, and Scout, who is a poodle. So this whole litter is an F1b. Back to poodle, so that means these guys are 3/4 poodle. This should ensure that you don't have any issues with shedding, and hopefully not with any allergies either. In the background, you can hear puppies crying because Chris is photographing some in the back room, and they want to be here in the front room, of course, with us. Okay, this orange collar here, that is Adele. The gold collar is Aiden, that's our boy. Blue collar's Amy. Burgundy collar is the littlest, that's Angel. And the light pink collar is Addie. And Andy does not have a collar on. This is Mr. Andy. Because one lucky guy doesn't have to wear a collar. Look at that face. Tiny little angel. Lots of spunk in her. We'd say she's the smallest of the litter. We would never say runt with her because she is feisty and strong and
who are we talking about?
Typical little angel there.
Oh, little angel?
Yeah.
Oh, who's this right here?
She says, nope, I'm not going to you. I got some serious playing to do here. What are you torturing yours back there? You torturing those in the back?
The two you brought back.
Yeah, they want to be out here playing with the others.
They want to be out here playing. This one is precious. You're not going to talk to me? You're going to bark at me? You're going to...
She says, yes, I am. That's Addie. She's very spirited.
You're going to bark at me? Oh my goodness gracious. You're going to bark. Get over here. Well, come on. Everybody just attacked me. Everybody just attacked me. It's the end of the film anyway. It's the end of the film.
Try halfway through, but yeah.
Oh, well. Okay, I'll get over on this side.
That was a little bit of Chris.
How's the baby? Hey, 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 come here. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Since we can't see where you are, Auntie Chris.
Where you at?
Take down, take down.
Mean.
If we sell this video, we can go to prison.
Only if we're taking wagers. Uh-oh. Did you get a toenail spot?
They are just an awful little bunch, aren't they?
Uh-huh. Because we want out of here. We want our siblings that are in the back room. How mean to cage you up and only give you half the living room to play in. That's just mean, mean, mean. Adele, dark orange collar.
Look how they hold their little tails up.
Oh yeah. Addie, multiple pink collar.
Oh, she was the one barking at me.
Oh yeah.
Addie! Addie! Oh, look at her. Oh, she's fierce. She is very steady.
She's gonna have to get you, Chris. The blue collar is Miss Amy. Tiny Angel in the burgundy. Oh yeah, I can carry that.
Can tear it up. Oh, now the yellow one's going crazy on you.
Uh-huh. That's Aiden.
Aiden?
Mm-hmm.
Aiden? Oh, so...
Yeah. And then with no collar here, trying to find milk on a mama that's not a mama. That would be Mr. Andy. Or Randy Andy as we call him. Yes. Okay, kids. You are way over time, so bye-bye.